You know what would be funny is if I started like, hey!
Hey, welcome to the Babbel USA channel.
Brought to you by the editorial team at the world's #1 selling language app.
Are you curious about language and culture and how they connect us?
Mittens, mugs, and chunky-knit socks. Hygge is the new je ne sais quoi.
Oh la la! So is Paris really filled with people saying ooh la la to each other?
Are you ready to nerd out about the origins of words we use every day?
In the beginning, there was a tweet.
And the impact other languages have on English?
Does it smell bad? Well, that's a stink animal.
Do you want to watch Americans put their knowledge of other languages to the test?
Papa's fritters.
What we have here is called djungelvrål, the scream of the jungle.
Oh, wow!
Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm studying German, or as they say in German, Deutsch.
I did try to order El Café in French. He immediately switched to English, so hopefully I'll have better luck in a less touristy area.
If any of that interests you,
Subscribe to our channel now.